Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to crop image in Affinity by Canva. The first thing I want you to do is bring in your image. So I'll go ahead and use this one right here. We'll drag and drop it. And then all you need to do is go ahead and just resize your image. And once you're ready to go ahead and crop it, we just go ahead and come here on the left hand panel. We have all of these different tools. I want you to go ahead and click on this tool right here. This is the vector crop tool. So as you can see, I'm able to crop the image according to my needs. Let's say I want to crop it from here as well. You can easily go ahead and do that. So I'll come here, bring this down, and now I can easily go ahead and resize this once I'm happy with it. As you can see, we have cropped the image, and then you can just come here and export it as well. So you click on File, and then you click on Export again, and you can choose PNG or JPEG as your export options. And then just click here on Export. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to Quick Fix